Okay, everyone, I hope you're all having a great weekend. I just want to go over a few trade examples. On this particular chart, we're going to look at the US dollar, Japanese yen. It's a 30-minute chart. And we can see quite clearly here, this is my turning point down level, the black line. We came right near it both times. Comes up, we have the inside bars happening up in there. We have an inside bar up here. Some of these, like this one, is a little bit of a variation of what I've normally been teaching with the divergent sell. But I'm just, for this particular video, for those of you who are newer, trying to give you an idea of how many times these levels will produce trades, okay? Let's look quickly at the pound dollar 30-minute chart. We had a situation where it didn't quite touch my line, but I've talked previously, if it's within about 30 pips of my line or less, I will look for a trade. So we had a valid divergent sell setup, okay, and that's where we have one swing high and a second one, but the stochastics are going down. All right. On the pound yen, this is a dollar chart. Now here's my turning point down level, and you can see that this thing, it took a long time to unwind off of there. Alright, there's actually kind of a different variation of a trade I would take off of this on this second test. Okay, I don't have time to teach this one in this particular video, but it is based off of an inside bar, which is right here, and that trade eventually dropped over 150 pips. Okay, let's just take a look here. The euro US dollar, you can see how that my level found support, was resistance, now it's finding support, and eventually took off all the way up to the next level. And this was a question I had from someone. They said, well, aren't turning point down levels supposed to be levels that you short the market? Well, yes they are, but at some time those levels will be breached, and those what should be resistance now become support, and that's the situation here. It was resistance, okay, all through here, but eventually it becomes support. Alright, now this, so it rides all the way up down to the next level, which is the turning point 2 level. That's where it started to sell off. Okay, and then let's see, I think the euro yen, this is a 30-minute chart as well. You can see that sometimes when you're in some consolidation, look how long it just came right near those levels, would sell off for a while. Keep in mind that some of these drops are 60, 70, 100 pips. So sometimes you don't get it going from level to level, but if you're smart about the trades, you can still get a piece of it each time it sells off. So that's it. I hope you all have a very profitable week.